how to use WhatsApp Web on a laptop. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use WhatsApp Web on a laptop. First of all, open up the web browser on your PC or laptop. Then, click on the search bar of your browser. And now, search here for WhatsApp Web. If you are already connected to your WhatsApp, it will take a few seconds to load your chats. Then, it will provide you access to your WhatsApp Web on your PC or laptop. You can simply send text to any of your friends or family from here. Use it just like you use WhatsApp on your phone devices. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one. Also, check out our video on how to know if someone has blocked you on WhatsApp without texting them.